Hello students, welcome back to the maths class. Student, let's begin with exercise 3.1. Now listen question number 1. Write all the factors of the following numbers. Now numbers are given, we have to write all the factors of these numbers. Now see, question number 1, A part, number is 24. Now we have to write all the factors of 24. Okay, we already know that 1 is a factor of every number. So write it 24. 1, 24 the 24. 1 is a factor of every number, so we will start with always 1. Now 2, 12 the 24. You can check here. 2 on the 2. 2 minus 2 0. Now write here 4. 2 to the 4. Remainder is 0, means 2 12 the 24. So here we will write 2 12 the 24. Okay, then 3 8 the 24. Okay, then 4 6 the 24. Okay, in 5 table 24 is not coming. Then 6 4 the 24. Students, so we will stop here because 4 and 6 have occurred earlier. So we will stop here. Now we write the factors. Now we will go downward first. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 6. Then we will move upward. 8, 12, 24. So we will write all the factors in ascending order. Okay. So all the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Understood? Now see, one more part I am explaining. B, the number is 15. Okay, now we have to write all the factors of 15. So we always start with 1. 1, 15 the 15, because 1 is a factor of every number. So in 2 table 15 is not coming. Okay, then 3 5 the 15. In 4 table 15 is not coming. Yes. Then 5 3 the 15. Now we will stop here because 3 and 5 have occurred earlier. So the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. So write here, all the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, now see one more part. I, 36. Number is 36. So write here 36 equal to 1 36 the 36. Now 2 18 the 36, because when we divide 36 by 2 we get 18, because it is completely divisible by 2. So 2 18 the 36. Okay, then 3 12 the 36. Then 4 9 the 36. Then 6 6 the 36. So we will stop here because both the factors 6 are same. So we will stop here. All the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Right here, all the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. I hope question number 1 is clear to everyone. Now let's move on to question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of 5. Now here we have to write the first 5 multiples of 5. Means here we will write the table of 5 till 5, because here we have to write the first 5 multiples of 5. Okay, see here, 2a part number is 5. Yes student, 5 on the 5, 5 to the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25. Okay, first 5 multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Similarly, you can find the first 5 multiples of 8. The first 5 multiples of 8 are 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32, 8 5 the 40. Similarly, you can write the first 5 multiples of 9. Means you will write the table of 9 till 5. Understood? Now, see question number 3. Match the items in column 1 with the items in column 2. Now, see column 1 here is given and column 2 is given. So, see 35. 35 is a multiple of 70. 15 is a factor of 30. 16 is a multiple of 8. Okay, 20. 20 is a factor of 20. And 25. 25 is a factor of 50. Understood? Now see question number 4. Find all the multiples of 9 up to 100. Now we have to write all the multiples of 9 up to 100. So see here. 9 1 the 9. 9 2 the 18. 9 3 the 27. 9 4 the 36. 9 5 the 45. 9 6 the 54. 9 7 the 63. 9 8 the 72. 9 9 the 81. 9 10 the 90. 9 11 are 99. Okay. All the multiples of 9 up to 100 are, yes, 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. I hope exercise 3.1 is clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.